Physics proves that the simple act of looking at something literally changes it. What if I told you this isn't just a strange fact from a science lab? It's a superpower you use every single day, often without even realizing it. And today, I'll show you how to use it on purpose to create the life you want. Welcome to our very first video. If you've ever felt like you're just a passenger in your own life, this video is going to change everything. We're going to explore one of the most mind-bending principles in quantum physics, called the observer effect. But don't worry, you don't need a PhD to understand this. I'll break it down simply and give you a practical, step-by-step technique to apply this powerful law to your finances, your health, and your relationships, starting today. So, what is the observer effect? In the quantum world, tiny particles like electrons exist in a state of all possibilities at once. They are everywhere and nowhere. Scientists call this a wave of potential. But the moment a scientist decides to measure or observe one of these particles, something magical happens. The wave of possibilities collapses, and the particle chooses a single, specific location and becomes real. Think about it. The act of paying attention turned endless potential into a single reality. Your attention is the measurement tool. Okay, so particles are weird. But what does this have to do with you? Everything. Your focused attention works in the exact same way. The situations, people, and problems in your life are all like that wave of potential. There are infinite possible outcomes. Whatever you consistently place your focus on, your attention and energy, is what you command to become real out of all other possibilities. If you constantly focus on, "I don't have enough money," you are observing and creating the reality of lack. If you instead focus on opportunities and the feeling of abundance, you are observing and creating a reality of wealth. So how do we do this consciously? Here is a simple 3-step technique. Step 1. Clearly define your focus. You can't observe a blurry target. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want more money." Instead, focus on creating an extra $200 or the feeling of financial security. Step 2. Give it quality attention. Set aside 5 minutes a day to observe your desired reality as if it's already happening. Feel the emotions. Your emotional energy is what collapses the wave of potential. Step 3. Withdraw attention from what you don't want. When you catch yourself worrying, you are observing the reality you want to avoid. Gently shift your focus back to what you do want. Starve the unwanted reality of your attention. Your challenge for this week: pick one area of your life and use this technique every day. And I want to hear what happens. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're going to focus on. Sharing it makes it more powerful. Remember, your attention is the most valuable currency you have. Spend it wisely. You are not just an observer, you are the creator. Thank you so much for joining me. If this resonated with you, please hit the like button and subscribe, because in our next video we'll explore how to shift your energy in 60 seconds. Until next time, keep creating.